Hello everybody. Today I am in Aline company and they are producing shutters and garage door systems, and right now I'm gonna show you how they are producing their materials. First of all, one customer just sent an order, and the department for organizing the production, they do the drawings and they get the confirmation. After the confirmation, the materials, they cut it. It's the cutting area, and the material which is cut just ready, and some other guys, they are just combining the lamella. After this application, they are fixing that materials. In this step, as you see here, they are doing the installation of the box. As you see here, this is an aluminum outside installing shutter box. The material that we combined over there, the lamellas and the box and motor inside of this box. And right now, the master just combining everything, and it's almost ready to send to the delivery departments. And right now I'm going to show you some basics informations about the shutter systems. As you see here, this is just a window frame, and this is a monoblock box. In this monoblock box, this is PVC material, and this is the pipe. In this pipe, if you have like a button system or remote control system, you apply the motor inside, and the motor run the system. As you see here, these are the lamellas. According to your remote control action, it goes up and it goes down. Again, I'm just giving you basic. This is plastic, and this is on top of the window. And if you have new buildings, you can apply these monoblock systems. If you have a new building, you can apply this system. And this is aluminum outside installing shutter system. Again, this is your window, and this is inside and this is outside. You can apply your outside box onto the face of your window, or you can apply this top of the wall. You have two options. And also the good thing, if you have a window, you are not changing your window, but you are looking for a new shutter system to apply your ready window, yes, you can do it. You don't need to do it as the first one. The first one, you have to have just brand new window. But in this case, you can apply the aluminum shutter, you can apply your ready windows. And this is aluminum, this is PVC, and this is aluminum. You can also apply remote control, button system, reductor system, and manual system for both. And the last one is detailed box or lento box, which is during the installation you can put this material, and after the installation done, you can bring and apply other materials, which is not very usable, not very useful in Turkey a lot, but these two are very famous. Yes, this is a monoblock system, and it's produced for France markets. As you see here, the master just operates it by button, and it's just working as you see. These monoblock systems, if your house is new and you're gonna apply a new window, the shutter comes on top of the window and you can apply it to the gap. According to your size, the monoblock shutters box can change, and also lamella color and lamella size according to demand can change. Yes, my friends, today we were in Aline company and we just checked how they are producing their shutters, garage doors and systems. So it was some great information. I hope that you can also have some good notes from the video. Okay, thank you.